Hey, ever wondered why breaking a coconut feels so powerful? Get ready for goosebumps. This sacred fruit is immortal. It never rots, only dries. Hindu scriptures say its three eyes are Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. But here's the real shocker. Coconut water is 99% identical to human blood plasma. In World War II, doctors used it for real transfusions. Breaking a coconut isn't just a Hindu ritual, it's done in Muslim housewarming ceremonies too. It symbolizes breaking ego, offering purity, and inviting divine blessings. From Vedic yagnas to Buddhist arahat practices, even shamans use sacred offerings like this. Namaste. Next time you break a coconut, remember, you're unlocking ancient power.